Hello everyone, welcome to this video on 10 rules for a successful life. Life can be challenging and confusing, but if you follow certain principles, you can achieve great things and live a successful life. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 rules that you can incorporate into your life to achieve success. Rule 1. Set clear goals. The first rule is to set clear goals for yourself. Without clear goals, it's difficult to achieve anything. So, identify what you want to achieve and create a plan to make it happen. Rule 2. Focus on your strengths. The second rule is to focus on your strengths rather than your weaknesses. When you focus on your strengths, you'll excel in what you do, and you'll be more motivated to achieve your goals. Rule 3. Take action. The third rule is to take action. Don't wait for things to happen, make them happen. Take action towards your goals every day, no matter how small the steps may seem. Rule 4. Learn from failure. The fourth rule is to learn from failure. Failure is a part of life, and it's an opportunity to learn and grow. Don't be afraid of failure, embrace it and learn from it. Rule 5. Take care of your health. The fifth rule is to take care of your health. A healthy body and mind are essential for a successful life. So, exercise regularly, eat healthy, get enough sleep, and take care of your mental health. Rule 6. Surround yourself with positive people. The sixth rule is to surround yourself with positive people. The people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your life. So, surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Rule 7. Continue to learn. The seventh rule is to continue to learn. Learning is a lifelong process, and it's essential for personal and professional growth. So, read books, take courses, and never stop learning. Rule 8. Be grateful. The eighth rule is to be grateful. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can transform your life. Take time to appreciate the good things in your life, and you'll attract more positivity and abundance. Rule 9. Be persistent. The ninth rule is to be persistent. Success is not achieved overnight, and it requires perseverance and dedication. So, keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. Rule 10. Help others. The 10th and final rule is to help others. Helping others is a fulfilling and rewarding experience, is best thing you get. So start implementing these tips in your life to be a successful. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content like this.